Do you have increased knee pain when you try to kneel? Today I want to show you how to strengthen your knee for kneeling. If you have increased knee pain when you try to kneel, you need to increase the strength and flexibility of your knee. First, let's talk about flexibility of the knee for kneeling. To do a half kneel, you need to bend your knee to at least 90 degrees. To kneel on both knees, you need to be able to bend your knees to 120 degrees, maybe even 130 degrees. If your knee has limited range of motion with bending, you will have to practice knee flexion stretches. There are two stretches that I recommend for increasing knee flexion: the quadricep stretch and knee flexion stretch with the towel roll under the knee. The typical quadricep stretch is to stand on one leg, grab the other leg with your hand, and bend the knee as far as you can. Try to hold the stretch for 30 seconds for 3 sets. If your quadriceps muscle is too tight for you to grab the ankle with your hand, you can use a towel or a strap. To do a knee flexion stretch with a towel under the knee, roll up a towel and put it under the knee. Use your arms to hug the knee and bend the knee as far as you can. Try to hold the stretch for about 30 seconds for 3 sets. If neither of these stretches work for you, you could try another stretching technique called the whole relax stretch that I went over in another video. I will leave the link down below. To strengthen the knee for half kneeling, we're going to practice variations of the lunge exercise. You could start with an assisted lunge. Use your hand to hold onto a chair or a table. Put one foot in front of the other, then space your feet out as far as you can. Bend your knees to lower your back knee toward the floor. Once your back knee is close to the floor, push your body back up to standing. If you could do 3 sets of 10 repetitions of assisted lunge, you can try to not hold on to anything with your hands. Once you can do 3 sets of 10 repetitions of this version, then you can try to do a forward lunge with a step. If you cannot do 10 repetitions in a row for any of these variations, you can start with however many you can do without increased pain. Then do 3 sets of that. Increase the number of repetitions per set by 1 or 2 per week until you can do 3 sets of 10 repetitions without increased pain in the knees. Please note that the knee that you're working on is the knee in the front. It is also a good idea to work on both knees, so remember to switch your legs. To strengthen the knees for full kneeling, start by using a cushioned surface and start in a tall kneeling position. Slowly lower your hips toward your heels. If this is uncomfortable, you can try putting a towel roll behind your knees and see if that makes any difference for you. If that is still painful for you, you can try a half kneeling position and again slowly bring the hip down toward the heel. Once you could do 3 sets of 10 repetitions, then try to do the full kneeling again. You can start with 3 sets of 5 repetitions or however many repetitions you can tolerate without increased pain in the knees, and then increase the number of repetitions per set by 1 to 2 every week until you can do 3 sets of 10 repetitions without increased pain in the knees. If the half kneeling exercise is still too much, you can go and practice the lunge variation exercises to strengthen your knee, as well as practicing your knee flexibility with the quad stretch. If you also have knee pain going down the stairs, please check out my other video, Fix Knee Pain Going Downstairs. If you feel that this video has helped you in any way, please share it with someone you feel like would benefit from this video.